Welcome or welcome back, gargoyles and ghouls, to Average Mahou, where we like to celebrate the small but lovely things in life. I'm Auntie Momo, and today I thought we would take a look at one mani from almost basically start to finish, and then look at some outfits that I paired with it. If you've ever wondered about stamping and how that works on nails, I'm going to show a little bit about how that works. This is not going to be an in-depth tutorial or anything, but you'll get to see a little bit of the tips and tricks behind making manis with stamping. All right, let's take a look at the mani now. I started off with a base of Polished for Days 999 from their Haunted collection. It is so glowy and pretty, and I think perfect for this mani. On this super cute stamping plate, I'm brushing on a little bit of purple stamping polish, which is not the same as a regular polish. I'm swiping off the excess with a stamping card. I don't actually know what these are called. You could use a credit card, honestly. I'm picking up the image with a silicone stamper. It's clear, so you'll be able to see where you're placing your stamp. With a little bit of tape, I'm removing the excess nail polish from the stamper. Never use acetone on a stamper. It will completely damage the silicone. The method I'm doing is reverse stamping, where you pick up the outline of an image generally, and then you paint on polish underneath it. So when you flip the stamp around, it'll look like you somehow have stamped a bunch of layers on top of each other. With a fine brush, I'm applying some white polish for this spooky cat. When the polish is almost fully dry on the stamper, I place the image where I want it on my nails. The reason why I use it when it's a little bit damp still is because it adheres to the nails, which are dry. You can use a sticky base coat as well in order to get the images on the stamper to stick to your nails. To apply the stamp, you just smush it onto the nails. Sometimes I pat down the stamp in order to make sure it's secure on the nails. Sometimes I use a protective silicone peel to keep the polish off of my fingers. For the cleanup, I just use a brush dipped in acetone and carefully wipe away the excess. When I'm all done, I use a water-based, smudge-free top coat to seal everything in before applying a regular top coat. And that's it. Have you ever done any stamping on your nails? It's my favorite method of getting art onto there. I am just really bad at freehanding. I can't even do dots with the little dotting tool. It's beyond me. If you ever have any questions about nail stamping, please feel free to leave comments and ask. I can't guarantee that I actually know what I'm doing, but I'll give my tips and tricks if I have any. The first time I ever stamped, it took a lot of trial and error, and I wasted a lot of polish. So if I can help anyone from running into that frustration themselves, I would love to help. Now that we've seen a little bit behind what went into that mani, let's take a look at the finished product. And here it is, the spooky cat, ghost, and book mani. I know that's a lot of things combined that maybe don't get combined frequently, but I love to combine weird, sort of disparate elements and things that I love into one thing. I think that 999 was a perfect base for this mani since it's a little eerie and glowy, and it's even from a spooky collection. Starting from the pinky, we've got a cat with the word books on it. The K and the S are a little bit faint. I should have used a bit of a brighter color. There's a kitty ghost resting atop a bunch of books. You saw me apply this ghost cat floating down onto probably a spell book. Under the words, "A reader lives 1,000 lives," which I think is a little ominous, peeks a little black cat. And for the thumb, I have a bunch of ghost cats floating around. In the background, there's actually some books floating, but it's a little difficult to see in that light purple. There's also the words boo. Here you can see the mani moving around in different light. It shifts magically. 999 is one of my favorite polishes on earth. You can really see the yellow glow that comes out in bright light. It looks a little bit like candlelight. That was one of the first manis I ever posted onto Instagram, and I put in a lot of effort into that one hand. There's tons of details, and some of them didn't come through, but I'm really proud of that mani. From that time, I've sort of moved on to doing more accent nails. You could say it's laziness. I say it's time management that I do accent nails instead of a full hand of stamping. Honestly, people don't really see all the details if you do every single nail, and I'm the one who's really enjoying them for the most part, so I like to think that I am just using my time wisely so I can get more manis and try on more polishes this way. Occasionally, though, I will do a really fancy set for special occasions. I have 3 outfits to briefly show you that I wore with this set of nails. Let's look at the first one. This first outfit is a business casual sort of look with these really cute salmon culottes from Uniqlo. I think it matches the pink tones in the mani really well. Yay for pockets. This white collared blouse is from GU, which I got in Japan. And I'm wearing a little gold necklace with a little sun on it. I'm wearing my usual comfy taupe sneakers with some white socks, and that is the first outfit. The next outfit is a little bit more fanciful. Let's take a look at outfit 2. The second outfit features this gorgeous twirly lavender dress from Ivy City Company. It has gathered tears, which adds to the twirliness. I matched this light lavender dress to the purple in the mani. The sweet ditzy floral print goes with the mani as well, with the grays and the whites. I paired some brown leather fry boots with this dress. And I love these gathered poofy sleeves. The shoulders are elasticated, which makes it really easy to fit on. And I added this cute jackalope ceramic necklace. It doesn't have anything to do with cats, but you know, they're both animals. The bodice is shirred and very stretchy and comfortable. You would never guess that I'm wearing ghosts with this romantic twirly dress. But that's outfit 2. We're going straight into outfit 3 here with this casual blouse and skirt combo. The real star of this outfit is this skirt with kitty cats and dogs reading books. I absolutely had to wear this skirt with my ghost book cat nails. The colors also work really well together. You may be surprised to hear that I actually made this skirt. It's a simple gathered skirt with a zipper in the back. There is a lot of yardage in this skirt, so it's very twirly. I wore my usual taupe sneakers with some mustard yellow socks for a pop of color. This white blouse by Best Fly has beautiful flutter sleeves, which are my favorite type of sleeve, and a nice chic V-neck. This cat hiding in a cardboard box brooch was a gift from a friend, and I simply had to wear it with this cat-themed outfit and mani. And that's outfit 3. I wasn't exactly going for subtle with that last outfit, but I think it's fine. Which was your favorite outfit? I focused this week on wearing a bunch of different colors and patterns and trying to switch up the vibes for each outfit. There were some business casual, some fluttery romantic ones, and then sort of an in-between one. I love getting to wear things that I made myself or altered myself. I don't always get to make a lot of clothes. It is time consuming and pretty expensive. But when I do, I usually focus on really fun prints that you just can't find in a regular store, or twirly skirts because you can never have too many of those. If you liked seeing the process of making the mani itself, the outfits, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. I plan on doing many more outfit and mani combo videos, so if you subscribe, you'll be the first to see when they come out. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in another video soon. Bye!